Hello everyone. Today we're going to be picking up where we left off the last time, which it was for the user input math. Basically, we were going to be, the user was going to add two numbers together to get the total number. So this next step is we're gonna see how we're gonna display the result. So to understand what we're showing at this point, you already have num1, you already have num2, and then the total, the sum of both numbers. So now what we need to do is we just need to display the result. For instance, if the first number was 5 and the second number was 6, the end result would be 11. So that's basically what we're going to do. We are just going to display it, because before we ended the last time, it just showed like the code of it. And let me go back and just show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go back over. Let me go to tutorials. Let's go to videos right here. Let's go to JavaScript. And so let's double click that. And so let's say, for instance, it was 5 and the second number is 6. So this is as far as we got yesterday. So now we're actually going to show what the total is. So let's go ahead and go back to our Visual Code Studio, and we are now going to be adding So inside your script tag, what we're going to do is we're going to put alert, total is, colon, apostrophe, plus total, and semicolon. So this is going to change a little bit. Alert. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do is step 3. What this code does, alert creates a pop-up message in the browser. The total, with the apostrophes around it, is the text that appears before the result. And the total, without the plus total, what that does is it adds your calculated number to the message. So if the total equals 15, it's going to show that the total is 15. Alright, so now we're just going to save it. I constantly save it just in case. So let's go ahead. Let's trying to move my timer over here. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we want to make sure that the line comes after your calculation. So let the total num and 2 and parentheses, and then after that you have alert, the total is, plus total. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and save and run. We already saved it, but we'll save it again. and then I'm gonna go back to my folder, and then we're gonna go ahead and do this 6, 5, and there it is, voila, 11. So that is the end result of it. So what we just did was we took a calculated value, which is the total, we displayed it to the user, and then we used it for full input, process, and the output flow. So that is basically how we show the end result. So thank you for watching. Please go ahead and click that like button, see more, or if you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye-bye.